Welcome to Bottlebrush at Las Verdes, one of Delray Beach's most sought-after communities. With hurricane-impact windows, a brand new roof, a new AC. This home is designed for style and peace of mind. Completely renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa, move-in ready and waiting for you. Imagine cooking in this beautifully upgraded kitchen, perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying a quiet morning at home. Both master and guest bathrooms have been completely renovated. As a corner unit, this villa offers extra privacy and an abundance of natural light, making every space feel open and inviting. Beyond your doorstep, enjoy an active lifestyle with access to 3 pools, tennis and pickleball courts, a vibrant clubhouse, social clubs, and scenic walking paths. And with an ideal location, just 4.5 miles from the beach and close to I-95 and the Florida Turnpike, getting around is a breeze. Seller financing available, 25% down, 6% rate for up to 2 years. For more information, contact Brad Ress at 561-573-6539 or Sharon Wild at 561-644-9489 or at our email, hress@aol.com. Visit our website, www.bocabrad.com. Subscribe and watch more great videos at Boca Brad Realtor.